everyone, welcome to Binary Bees, where we make Excel simple and fun for you. Today I'll show you how to enter data like a pro and make it look neat and easy to read. It's great for beginners or anyone who wants to get better at Excel basics. So let's start. Excel can hold three kind of data. First is text data, second is numerical data, and third is formula. Let me show you by an example. I am adding here some column names. Now adding some product name. For product's name, I am taking some fruits name. Apple, banana and mango. Assuming their quantity. For apple I am taking 10. For banana 12. For mango let's take 15. Now let's take some price for apple. For apple we are taking 50. For banana let's say 10. For mango let's take 45. Now we can see column product is example of text data and the quantity and price column is example of numeric data. Now we have to check total price of each product. We will do it with a formula. By entering any formula we have to start with equal to sign. Now we will multiply price and quantity. Look, we get the total price of apple product. Now we'll simply drag down this formula and it will calculate the total price of each product. Now we have gone through example of all three types of data. Now let's formatting our headers name. Selecting the headers name by pressing Ctrl B button, it's bold our headers name. Or we can also do it from here. Now choose the background colors. From here you can choose any color whatever you want. I am choosing the gray color. Now let's put our data in borders. From here you can choose our borders. I'm choosing this border, and here from here you can make some alignments for central. Now let's format numbers as currency. First we have to select the cells. Now right click and choose format cells from the menu. In the format cell we have to select currency. Now in currency option we have to click on symbol and now we have to pick our currency. Like for rupee we have to find INR, and for the dollars we have to find USD. Click OK and done. Now our numbers are clean and currency formatted. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more bit-sized Excel tips.